Okay guys, question. Gaano ba dapat kalaki ang isang studio type unit sa isang condo? Kasi we have a showroom here and this is our studio unit. This is our studio unit dito sa Alabang. This is the studio unit in Nuveo Circa and overall it's 30 square meter. So, merong utility area, it's 1.5 square meter and merong bathroom na 3.5 square meter and the kitchen area is 6 square meter and the living and dining area is 16 square meter. Plus, meron pa yung balcony na 3 square meter. So, in overall, it is 30 square meter. So, what do you think guys? What do you think? Gaano ba dapat kalaki ang isang studio unit na reasonable yung sukat? Masyado bang malaki ang 30 square meter or masyado siyang maliit?